For ProFrac, we want standardized equipment. When we go into the market, we're acquiring fleets that are already out there, that are participating in a very competitive environment, and bring it into a more consolidated format that's standardized. Anytime you acquire somebody else's equipment, there's not as much consistency. And that means sometimes retiring and replacing, or upgrading and standardizing. We want to recycle as much as we can. You take all the chassis, the axles, all the other stuff, and you want to put those into an end-of-life process. You know, at some point, it's going to end up back at a smelter. It's likely to come back as a fluid end or plate steel. You're going to see a much more stable and cost-effective price point from recycling steel than you would get from raw materials. So we go in and we take the major components if they're in good working condition or can be repaired, and inventory it so that it can go into a replacement cycle. Everything's essentially rebuilt in Sysco. We pull it apart all the way down to its bare bones. Then we come in, run all new plumbing, all new wiring, make sure that it has the right mounts for the motor, the transmission, power end. It's important that everybody knows that they have a brand that they can be proud of. We want everyone to understand, whether it's people we work with, this massive workforce that we have, or if it's our customers, that there are only ProFrac fleets. Every pump that we have is ProFrac.